Welcome to Buy the Best Thing channel. Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best drones currently on the market. We get started with our video. We have included a link in the description box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1 Best 4K EIS Anti-Shake Camera with Sony Sensor. The EIS, Electric Image Stabilization, technology reduces video blurring. Sony Sensor is equipped with advanced image capture technologies for superior image quality than others. 4K, 3840 by 2160, camera catches much more details. Videos can be recorded with 1080p at 60 fps. Number 2 Best Ruko F11 GM2 4K Drone with 3 km range. Full review. July 2, 2022 by Geedon. Leave a comment. Facebook, Twitter, email, share. The Ruko F11 GM2 drone has a 4K camera with 2-axis gimbal stabilization and electronic image stabilization, up to 3 km of range, brushless motors, automated flight modes, and it comes with a controller, 2 batteries for up to a total of 56 minutes of flight time and a hard case. Number 3 Best Holy Stone GPS Drone with 1080p HD camera FPV live video for adults and kids. Quadcopter HS110G with carrying bag, 2 batteries, altitude hold, follow me in auto return. Number 4 Best Holy Stone Portable FPV HS440 Drone with 1080p Wi-Fi camera for adults and kids, voice and gesture control. RC quadcopter with 2 batteries for 40-minute flight, auto hover, gravity sensor, carrying case. Number 5 Best Holy Stone Foldable GPS Drone 4K FHD Camera 2-axis Anti-Shake Gimbal Drone for beginners with brushless motor 5G Wi-Fi transmission.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.